In continuation with the series of first core arc welding electrodes, today we will be discussing about the flux core arc welding electrode for stainless steel. While choosing the electrode, we should ensure the mechanical and chemical properties are matched with the base metal. So, welcome to Weltech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies, and I am Vincent. Now we'll be discussing about FCAW electrode for stainless steel. This falls under the category of AWSA 5.22. As for AWS classification, there are four types only. Uh, these are those the T1, T2, and T3 groups, and the G group is also there, which where the polarity and other things are not specified. This is to be manufactured according to the understanding between the manufacturer and the user. To start with, we'll discuss about E308 LTO1. This is intended for welding of 304 types and 308 types of stainless steel. In most cases, it also suited for welding stainless grades of 321 and 347, and shielding gas. Priority you should give a mixture of argon and CO2, or CO2 100% CO2 also okay. DCEP is polarity. Welding can be done in all positions. The next in line is E308LT11, used for welding of AISI 301, 302, 304, 4L, 48, 308L, and 308. Shielding gas is, as usual, it is argon CO2 mixture or CO2. DCEP is the polarity and all positions can be welded. E316LTO1, used for welding of AISI 316 grade of stainless steel. Very high deposition using spray transfer, and shielding gas is argon CO2 mixture or CO2. DCEP is the polarity and all positions can be welded. The next in line is E316LT11, resists pitting corrosion induced by acids, like in the industry of widely used in the rayon, dye, and paper making industries, wherever the sulfuric acid is widely used in various vessels and tanks, and so wherever those are required, you'll be able to use this one. And shielding gas is argon CO2 mixture or CO2. PCEP polarity and all position can be welded. Okay, now we'll discuss about some more FCAW electrode for stainless steel, which are widely used. E317LT1-1, best for pitting resistance because it is having an additional quantity of molybdenum, which give a better pitting resistance. And similarly, in E47TO1, this is best for welding of NB plus titanium. NB means the niobium. Niobium or titanium stabilized stainless steels can be welded. The other one is 309LT1 4 type 309 stainless steel and 304 2 carbon steel welding. Dissimilar material. You can weld using this electrode. And the next one is mainly used for welding dissimilar steels, that is E309LMO T1-1. Okay, the second last one is E47T1-1 is developed to weld types of 347, 304, 321 stainless steel. And the last one is E409TG is widely used in automotive exhaust systems. Okay friends, that's all for today. I'll be back with another topic. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.